Good morning students. Today we will discuss about molar conductivity. As so far we have discussed about conductance and specific conductivity. Now today we will discuss about molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. But firstly let us talk about what is molar conductivity. Before coming to molar conductivity, recall what we have earlier studied. We have studied about conductance, that is simply the reciprocal of resistance, and then we have discussed about the specific conductance or conductivity. Now today we will discuss about molar conductivity. Firstly, just remember this is represented by this symbol, that is molar conductivity. Now students, if talking about molar conductivity, so just simply it is the conductance of a solution containing 1 ml of or 1 mole of electrolyte dissolved in it. What basically we want to say, that molar conductivity is simply the conductance of a solution that contains 1 mole of electrolyte dissolved in it. Okay, there is simply 1 mole of electrolyte. Just recall from here, if we will talk about equivalent conductivity, then what will happen, there will be 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, and as here it is molar conductivity, so there will be 1 mole of electrolyte. Okay, so for this, let us suppose a condition where V ml of an electrolytic solution contain 1 gram mole of electrolyte. You have to just focus here. What? That V ml of an electrolytic solution contains 1 gram mole of an electrolyte dissolved in it. So for this, the molar conductivity will be K into V. K, that is that is the specific conductivity which we have studied earlier. And now we get a question, that is molar conductivity is equal to K into 1000 by C. C here is simply the molar concentration. Okay, don't be panic about this. C here is the molar concentration. Then this equation becomes molar conductivity is equal to K into 1000 by M. And here what M is simply the molarity. Let us recall what are the terms. Here this is the molar conductivity, K is the specific conductance which we have studied earlier, and M is the molarity, whereas C is the molar concentration. So talking about what is molar conductivity, as earlier said, it is simply the conductance of a solution that contains 1 mole of electrolyte dissolved in it. You have to just focus here only, 1 mole of electrolyte dissolved in it, and its unit is ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. You can see here ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So this is about the molar conductivity. In our next video we will be discussing about the equivalent conductivity, and that is simply nothing but the conductance of a solution that contains 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. Thank you class.